Hi, you guys. This is going to be a voiceover video of me braiding and doing a protective style on my daughter's hair. Here, I'm just going to be braiding the hair down. She got a little lunchy. We were sitting outside. I had already started. So I'm just doing some small little box braids with the Bobby Boss braiding hair. I'm going to actually bend the hair, as you guys are going to see in the video. I'm going to bend the hair with a flat iron to seal the ends. I'm just, telling her to turn around so I can get the proper motion, hand motion with me to just bend and braid the hair. That's what I'm doing now. And this is a great style for the winter time to do a protective style on the hair. You can just get up and go with your kids. And this is a style not only for little girls, but for adults, for teenagers. Something I would say quick. This hairstyle took me, because it's a small child, so she had to take bathroom breaks and stuff like that. So this hairstyle took me like an hour and 30 minutes to do. I braided her hair down, and as you guys can see, I'm measuring the hair so I can have the correct measurements. Here's my flat irons that I use, nothing too fancy, just to seal the ends and burn off the excess hair. Yes, so I measure each plait together to get that bob look, that bobbish look at the end, and the curve that you look for during the back of a bob. Yeah, and that's the excess hair. We're sitting outside on the patio. That's the excess hair. Make sure that it is. See how this unravel? Yeah, and that's the frayed end. So you might have to just go back in with your flat iron to seal the hair more properly, right? But that's what I'm doing here. Nothing too fancy. Something like that. You want to make sure that your plait is completely plaited tight. And honestly, Royalty is 3. She's going on 4 years old. So I would say to get a child to want to sit, if you haven't already established because this is her first time doing this style. So with me having her to sit for this long period of time, I had my phone. As you guys can see, the computer was in the back. I had my phone, but if you could get them to sit with a tablet or something that will grasp their interest, it's not going to be a long, tedious process for them. So she's at this stage, Royalty is used to getting her hair done. So yeah, it didn't take us long. I'm showing you guys the hair that I use. The jumbo braid, number 4, the closest to her natural hair color. Look at her being silly with the camera. Hi, Royalty, I see you. And I had to kind of turn her head around a few times just to get her attention back on the phone, and also to get her head back to me, because she did get a little anxious with sitting in the chair. So other than that, yeah, this is the hairstyle that I did on her hair, and I hope you guys like it. Like I stated before, this is a great protective style. You can keep this in for months at a time, weeks at a time. It protects the hair. We're coming right into winter, so to be able to get up and go with the family and little girls, that's always a plus. Royalty have 4C hair. She have a few different textures in her hair, but she also has eczema. So this will be a style that I try to keep moisturized as possible. I would probably go in like probably next week or this weekend, and just keep the scalp moisturized as long as the style is in her hair. And I tried to pull the hair up off of her neck as much as possible, like even at nighttime, so it won't aggravate her because of her eczema. She has eczema in her head as well as like all over her body, so anything will cause the itchiness, and I'm definitely gonna try to avoid that with like scarves that I could just tie up under the hair at night. And to keep the bend, you could also go in with the flat iron, like on the lowest temperature, just to rebend it, or with your hand. And even with a lighter, you could go back in with a lighter to bend the hair. But it is fairly a easy style, nothing too hard that I couldn't do. I also would like to mention I only use 3 packs of the comment and subscribe and enjoy the video. Thank you. Get this Forever with the Noble family. So maybe for an adult you will use something a little more than 3 packs, a little more over than 3 packs. But for Royalty's hair, I only use 3 packs of Bobby Boss number 4 hair. And I might do braids in the front, I'm not sure yet. But this is a nice protective style for the winter. This is a nice style. So you can get up and go style. You don't have to worry about it in the morning times when it's school time. Continue to follow us. Continue to follow our Forever with the Noble channel. And I'm going to continue to be great and get better with my technique at little girls' hairstyles. This is the first bob I ever did. So I hope you guys like it and love it as much as I do. Comment, like, and subscribe. And continue to follow us. Happy holidays. And I just grabbed it and put it in a little ponytail. It took a couple hours. Royalty was tired. She went to sleep, so that's fine. But yeah, that's her style. Braids. She had the braids in the front with the plaits in the back. It's done nice little neat little bob style Turn around again where it's in the front. Okay, and I actually bent it with the flat irons. I use the lighter too because my flat irons I used out when I was outside, and I ended up having to come in the house and I couldn't, the plug wasn't acting right, so I actually bent it with the lighter as well. But you know, whatever you guys have, whatever works. So yeah, that's it. Thank you, and you guys have a great day.